Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily use Twitter on your iPhone. So for doing this, just go to App Store, just write in search tab. So just go to search tab, just write in search tab Twitter. So here you can see it. Now just tap on get button and just wait until it will successfully. So just use double click to install it. And now you just need to wait some time until it will successfully download and install this app on your phone. So just wait until it will successfully install this app. So you see it's really fast. So now just tap on open, and if you have existed account, just tap on login, and if you don't have account, just tap on create account and just follow all instructions for creating your account right now. So this is a way how you can use Twitter on your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.